It's 2025 and carousel sliders are super popular right now, and for a good reason. They're interactive, engaging, and perfect for showcasing content in a visually appealing way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a sleek Coverflow carousel slider that lets users shuffle through slides by dragging the cards or jump to specific ones using dot navigation. This design is fully responsive, so it works great on phones and tablets, and the swiping adds a fun interactive touch. Let's get started. In the search bar, type Testimonial Carousel. Here, click Install on Testimonial Carousel for Elementor. And once that's done, hit Activate. Now, we're ready to use the Coverflow widget from this plugin. Next, open your Elementor editor, click the plus icon, and add a new section to your page. Search for Carousel with Coverflow and drag it into your section. This is where we'll build the slider. Now let's set it up. First, go to the Content tab and open additional options. Here, set slides to show to 3, which means 3 slides will be visible at a time. Adjust the depth to 150. This creates the 3D effect. Enable the Show Slide Shadows to give the slides some extra dimension. Turn on loop so the slider keeps rotating continuously. And for navigation, choose dots to add simple indicators below the slider. Once the basic settings are done, let's style it.
But before that, whenever I do some design work for my clients, I make sure to add this free plugin called Airlift because, okay, let me actually show you this. So that's my site speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps things fast. So you should definitely try this, and I'll leave the link in the description below.
Switch to the Styles tab. Under General Styles, set the height to around 560. If your content needs more or less space, feel free to adjust it. Next, go to the button style and add some padding or tweak the button design to suit your site's theme. Move to Slider Style and customize the colors and font for the title and content. Finally, in Navigation Style, set the dot size to 12 and the active dot size to 14. Pick a dot color that matches your design and is easy to spot. To make the layout look better, go to the Advanced tab. Set the left and right padding to 3%. This keeps the content centered. Then scroll down to the Custom CSS section and paste the CSS code provided in the description. This will improve the carousel's overall design and functionality. That said, this is completely optional, and if you're on Elementor free, then you can customize the Coverflow according to your website design. Alright, it's time to add content. Go back to the Content tab. Now, as my website is for a pet store, I want to add different blogs on pets or highlight blogs using the Coverflow slider. I'll delete the 2 other slides and keep the one in the middle. Then let's make some styling changes and add the image to the carousel slide. Once your first slide is ready, duplicate it, say around 7 times or as many times as you like. Then for each slide, update the content, title, and image so every slide is unique. Finally, let's fine-tune everything. If you want a darker background for the text, head back to Custom CSS and update the background color. This will help make the background darker so your text is highlighted even more. Finally, you can also adjust the size of the carousel wrapper or tweak the slide height to fit your content better. Once everything looks good, hit Update and preview the page. Test the carousel by scrolling through the slides. Make sure the content flows smoothly, the navigation dots work, and the design looks perfect on both desktop and mobile. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.